If you've been looking for a way to create AI videos for free, this is going to blow your mind. A lot of creators were stuck when Grok AI access was removed. People started searching everywhere for alternatives. But here's the good news. I found a platform that gives you access to Grok AI and Veo 3.1 in one place, completely free. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to use it, even if you're a beginner. First things first, open your browser and search for Gemini General AI. Click on the first result, then go ahead and create your account using your Google account or email. Once you log in, you'll get free credits instantly, so you can start creating right away. Now from your dashboard, look for the option called Studio and click on it. Inside, you'll see different tools like Chat with AI, Image generation, and most importantly, video generation. Click on Video generation to enter the video creation area. Let's start with one of the easiest and most powerful models, Veo 3.1 Fast. Select text to video. Paste your prompt into the text box. Before generating, make sure you set your aspect ratio correctly for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, etc. Free plan gives you 720p quality. Now click Generate. Give it a few minutes. Once your video is ready, you'll notice clean visuals, cinematic feel, high quality output. If you don't like it, click Recreate. If you like it, click Download. Simple as that. Pro tip: the better your prompt, the better your result. If your video looks stuck at 0%, don't panic. Just go to History. Your video is usually already completed there. Once done, you'll see smooth character movement, accurate lip sync, realistic cinematic scenes. This is perfect for storytelling, short films, content creation, niche content like cultural stories. Now let's listen to the video it generated.
Training, where you'll learn how to create AI videos completely free.
CTA. Say yeah. That's how you create AI videos for free using Grok plus Veo 3.1. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried this tool yet? Or are you about to test it after this video? Drop a comment and let me know your experience. And if this helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because I break down AI tools like this every single week. Let's build smarter, create faster, and grow together.